my wife and I made a stock company in the early 2000s, right at the start of COVID, which is probably the worst time to make anything. And we wanted to make the world's most sustainable snowboarding sock, right? And we did it. We built this beautiful, from recycled carpets. There's things when you go through the process to understand production and manufacturing, which we didn't understand until we went through this journey. We start to look at things like bamboo is a sustainable thing to grow, but it's not to break down and make into a material that we can wear. So there's also greenwashing in the sense of we're not really being educated into the right awareness of what is a good choice from a production point of view. What we learned through this process was there's versions of bamboo that now are good, but at the start, bamboo t-shirts were really bad. The water, it would take, I think it's 25,000 liters of water to make one t-shirt, but the amount of chemicals needed in the water to break down the bamboo was so significant that water could never be used again. So all of a sudden we're using a lot of water to create products that are sustainable, but they're actually not, because now there's a problem with water. For every opportunity, there's a problem, and we need to understand the systems in which they flow. If we don't use bamboo, what do we use, and how do we produce where we can, instead of discarding the water, how do we use that water again?